Okay, my people, this na man on the street and I dey for inside Pidgin News Network. This story where they bring come my people now from Crosswater. A serious begayawarism they happen for South Africa. Oh. My people, you get one thing wey happen that time they call apartheid. It be like na the same thing what happen here. So as one brother wey they call Victor Maloshua just they take stroll, they follow shortcut, make it go house as he no get transport. Now some two whitey come block and say why you go they follow our backyard here, they follow our farmers shortcut. They come begin beat am, say you want to their crop because they said that they suspect say you want kill their family. Now they come begin beat am, you know finish for there. Come carry and go one corner, come put am inside coffin, come the first time say they won't bury am. My people, as they do the video, now everybody see for South Africa, they say no, nah, this wickedness too much. Why you go put living person inside coffin? As they carry them go court, now the judge there, he can't sentence one of them they call Tail Jackson for 14 years in prison, and the second one when he named Navelan, who stands the 11 years for prison. So make they go there.
The most appalling act by the accused was to put a living person in a coffin against his will under threats of killing him.
He said because maybe the first time wait till Jackson they do this kind of wickedness be this, and even said he no show remorse at all. Say he do bad thing. Now make two of them go prison inside the courtroom. Now so everybody come they cry. Oh, the people of the Tail Jackson they cry. The people of Joshua, Victor, Malaysia, all of them they cry there. My people, this one come make people come they protest, come outside with coffin and the photo of the two white men. Say this wickedness is no good because now because the brother are black now treat them like that. Say this one are racism. He no finish for there. One sister where we say she be analyst for there, where her name na Nombos Niso Gaza. She can't come out talk say no. This one at the height of racism, wickedism, batarism, killerism, brotherism, and all the lism follow him. He said because this thing no supposed to follow at all. My people, this na Pidgin News Network and a man on the street be this.